Hello dear friends, I invite you to crochet such amazing one row trim pattern. It is very delicate and unusual. You can use it like a trim or jewelry. In this case, I did double crochet. In your case, it can be your main pattern. So each leaf consists of two halves, and each half consists of double crochet stitches not finished. Let's look at this side. This is my oven pattern. I created it long time ago. In the description below the video can be found many links with this pattern. As a result, you can see a lot of my experiments in the video tutorials. For work I am using 2mm crochet steel hook, a ball of yarn, 55% cotton. So I am beginning crocheting. Before I begin, I would like to talk about my pattern. My pattern consists of only 6 stitches, 1, and they are 5 stitches between petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you notice, my leaf consists of 6 stitches. You can make any amount of chains in the foundation chain, but the foundation chain should be multiples 6 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. So in my case, I'm going to work with pattern 3 times. So it means 18 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. Make a chain of 19. The foundation chain is ready. It is going to be preparation row. This row is not included into the main pattern. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet and double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. I crochet double crochet for example. In your case it can be main pattern. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. My row of double crochet stitches is ready. And now I show you how to crochet the trim. Make a chain of 2 for the next row, turn the work, insert the hook into the yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 1st stitch, make double crochet, then chain of 2. I will work with these 2 chains later. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook from the back to the front like this, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. I do not finish my double crochet, then you should crochet 5 more such double crochet. In total it should be 6 of them. I have done the first one, make the second one. So I repeat again. 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have done 6 stitches. I do not finish all of them. Then yarn over, pull through first loop on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you remain 2 loops on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 2 loops on the hook. Now I turn the work. This is the front side. While turning the work, I remove the hook, insert it from this side, like this. Yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and make 6 double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over, pull through first loop, 2, 3, pull through 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 3 loops on the hook and pull through. Chain of 3. I insert the hook into the 2 chains. Make a slip stitch. So my heart leaf is ready. Then continue. Make a chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Then yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and insert the hook into the 6th chain stitch. Make the first 1 double crochet, not finish. Make the second one into the same stitch. I have got 3 loops on the hook and pull through. So my base for the leaf is ready. Chain of 2. I will work with them later. So let's begin the second leaf. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the first stitch, like this from the back to the front. Your chain space should be behind the work. Yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch from the back to the front, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. You should make such a leaf by yourself, and then I show you how to complete this row together. I have done my second leaf and I have done 3 chains. Let's repeat again. I insert the hook into the 2 chain space, make a slip stitch. Well done. Then make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. yarn over the hook. I skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, and make a cluster made of 2 double crochet, 1 2, and pull through, chain of 2. I stop here, and let's look at my trim. I have done 2 of them. Then you should repeat as many times as you need. Pattern consists of 6 stitches and has 1 row. So next time I will show you how to complete such row together. Let's complete this row together. After I have done 6 chain space, yarn over the hook. I skip 1 2 3 4 5. I skip at 5 stitches, insert the hook into the 6th stitch. This is the chain stitch on the beginning. Make double crochet, not finish. Then make the 2nd double crochet, not finish. And pull through all loops on the hook, and my cluster is ready. The base is done. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook and make double crochet, not finish. Then so you should make the last leaf by yourself. My last leaf is ready. I did a leaf. I have done 3 chains. Insert the hook into chain space. Make a slip stitch. I have already cut off the yarn. So I secure my yarn to make a chain. Like this. My trim is done. Here what I have. I remind you. That's it. The project is ready. So as you notice, in this video tutorial we have done 1 row trim that consists of leaves or hearts. Each leaf has 2 halves. Pattern consists of 6 stitches and has 1 row. So it can be perfect for beginners. This trim can be used for any project, or you can use such trim like a bracelet, necklace, or choker. Here how it looks on this side. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!